Deep in the amazing Amazon rainforest, where the dense canopy forms a lush green roof over the vibrant ecosystem below, a beautiful creature lives hidden. This creature is not just any snake, but one that has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for its unique and mesmerizing appearance. It's the Brazilian rainbow boa, a snake that shines with amazing colors. Its scales reflect light in a way that creates a stunning iridescent effect, making it look as though it is covered in a rainbow. This non-venomous snake, whose scientific name is Epicrates cinereus, is a wonderful sight. Found primarily in the Amazon basin, it thrives in the humid, tropical environment, often seen coiled on branches or slithering through the underbrush. Its scales, like thousands of tiny prisms, create a rainbow of colors. This iridescence is caused by microscopic ridges on the scales that refract light, a feature that not only makes it beautiful but also helps it blend into its surroundings. People who love reptiles think the Brazilian rainbow boa is very special. Reptile enthusiasts and collectors often seek out this species for its striking appearance and relatively docile nature, making it a popular choice for those interested in exotic pets. But there's more to this snake than just its looks. The Brazilian rainbow boa plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, helping to control the population of small mammals and other prey, thus maintaining a balance in the food chain. Its beauty shows how amazing nature is, a balance between hunter and hunted. The snake's hunting skills are as impressive as its appearance, using stealth and precision to capture its prey. The Brazilian rainbow boa reminds us that nature is full of surprises. Just when you think you've seen it all, this snake can appear in the most unexpected places, showcasing the incredible diversity of life in the rainforest. Its beauty is like a light, inviting us to explore the rainforest and appreciate all the living things that connect us. The Brazilian rainbow boa is not just a marvel of nature, but a symbol of the intricate and delicate balance that sustains life in one of the world's most vital ecosystems. The Brazilian rainbow boa lives in the Amazon rainforest, a place full of plants and animals. It can be found in a few South American countries like Brazil, Venezuela, and Suriname. In this huge area, it likes to live in damp places near water like rivers, streams, and swamps. The rainforest floor, with its thick plants and fallen trees, gives the boa lots of hiding spots. It's a master of camouflage, its scales blending in perfectly with the sunlight and shadows. The Brazilian rainbow boa shows how well animals can adapt to their environment. It's a part of the rainforest's delicate balance. The Brazilian rainbow boa is a pretty big snake. Found primarily in the lush rainforests of South America, this snake is known for its impressive size and striking appearance. Its habitat ranges from the dense Amazon basin to the coastal forests of Brazil, where it thrives in the humid tropical environment. Grown-up boas are usually 4 to 5 feet long, but some can even reach up to 7 feet. This makes them one of the larger species of boas, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their muscular bodies are built for constriction, allowing them to overpower their prey with ease. Females are usually bigger than males, often by a significant margin. This size difference is due to the female's need to carry and give birth to live young. In the wild, a larger size can also be an advantage for females in terms of survival and reproduction. But the most amazing thing about them is their scales. These scales are not just for protection, they are a marvel of natural engineering. Each scale is perfectly designed to reflect light in a way that creates a stunning array of colors. When light hits these scales, they shine with all sorts of colors, from deep reds and oranges to bright greens and blues. This iridescence is what gives the Brazilian rainbow boa its name and makes it one of the most visually striking snakes in the world. How bright these colors are depends on the light and how much water the snake has had. In brighter light, the colors can be incredibly vivid, almost glowing. In dimmer conditions, the colors are more subdued, but still beautiful. Hydration also plays a role. A well-hydrated snake will have more vibrant colors. These rainbow colors aren't from pigments, but from how the scales are made. The microscopic structure of the scales bends and refracts light, much like a prism. This phenomenon, known as structural coloration, is what creates the rainbow effect. They bend light like tiny prisms. This unique feature not only makes them beautiful, but also helps them blend into their surroundings by breaking up their outline, making it harder for predators to spot them. The Brazilian rainbow boa's beauty shows how amazing nature is even in the smallest details. From their impressive size to their dazzling scales, these snakes are a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. Their physical characteristics not only serve practical purposes but also add to the rich tapestry of biodiversity in our world. The Brazilian rainbow boa hunts at night. It eats small mammals like mice and bats, along with birds, lizards, and frogs. It's a constrictor, so it doesn't use venom. Instead, it wraps its strong body around its prey and squeezes tight every time the animal breathes until it can't breathe anymore. The Brazilian rainbow boa is a great hunter in the dark rainforest. Section 5. Life cycle of the rainbow: reproduction and growth. The Brazilian rainbow boa, known for its iridescent scales and vibrant colors, has a fascinating life cycle that begins with reproduction and growth. Unlike many other snakes, Brazilian rainbow boas don't lay eggs. Instead, they give birth to live young, a process known as viviparity. This unique reproductive strategy provides the young with a better chance of survival in the wild. The babies grow inside the mother and are born live, fully formed and ready to face the world. This method of reproduction means that the mother carries the developing young within her body for several months, providing them with protection and nourishment. Brazilian rainbow boas usually mate during the dry season, which typically occurs from May to October. During this time, males and females engage in a courtship ritual that involves the male rubbing his chin along the female's back and sides. After a gestation period of about 5 to 6 months, the mother gives birth to a litter of 5 to 20 baby boas. The number of offspring can vary depending on the mother's size and health. These babies have the same bright colors as their parents, but they're only about 10 to 15 inches long at birth. Despite their small size, they are fully equipped with the instincts and abilities they need to survive. Remarkably, these newborn boas can hunt for food right away. They primarily feed on small rodents, birds and lizards, using their keen sense of smell and heat-sensing pits to locate their prey. It takes a few years for them to grow up and be able to have babies themselves. During this time, they go through several molts, shedding their skin as they grow. This process allows them to increase in size and develop their characteristic iridescent scales. In captivity, Brazilian rainbow boas can live for 15 to 20 years if they are well cared for. This includes providing them with a proper diet, suitable habitat, and regular veterinary care. However, in the wild, their lifespan is likely shorter due to predation, disease, and environmental challenges. Section 6. The gentle giant: temperament and behavior. Even though it's big and a hunter, the Brazilian rainbow boa is usually calm and friendly. They don't usually bite unless they're scared. If you handle them gently, they can become very tame and make interesting pets for people who know how to care for reptiles. In the wild, they like to be alone, hiding in the rainforest. Their calm nature and secretive habits help them stay safe. Section 7. Shadows in paradise: threats and conservation. The Brazilian rainbow boa isn't endangered yet, but there are some worries. Losing their rainforest home because of deforestation is the biggest danger. As people cut down more trees, these boas lose the things they need to live. People who want them as pets also cause problems because they are very popular. But there's still hope. People are trying to protect them and their rainforest. They're creating protected areas, encouraging sustainable forestry, and teaching people how important it is to protect nature. Section 8. A vital link: the boa's role in the ecosystem. The Brazilian rainbow boa is important for the rainforest. It helps control the number of mice and other small animals. This affects the whole rainforest and keeps it healthy. They show how all living things are connected. Every plant and animal, big or small, is important. Protecting the Brazilian rainbow boa and its home isn't just about saving one snake. It's about saving the whole rainforest. Section 9. Our shared future: a call for conservation. The beautiful and gentle Brazilian rainbow boa reminds us how amazing nature is. If it survives, so do many other animals and plants. We need to protect this amazing snake and its rainforest home, not just for the boa, but for everyone in the future. By helping conservation, making good choices, and learning to love nature, we can help make sure the Brazilian rainbow boa lives in the Amazon rainforest for many years to come.